Enable Live Transcribe on Samsung device. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse our YouTube channel. In this video, show exactly what you need to do step by step. So it's a very easy process. So let's jump right into the video without any introductions. So head over to the Settings app, and here in the Settings app, scroll down until you see Accessibility. And here in Accessibility, tab on Hearing Enhancements, and here go to Live Transcribe. And here in Live Transcribe, you can enable Live Transcribe. So Live Transcribe shows speech as text on your screen, so you can participate in conversation around you more easily. You can type responses on screen while viewing the transcriptions, get alert when your name is spoken. So now just enable this feature. Enable, tap the accessibility button. You can start or stop this function, tap on this at the bottom of your screen. So it's right here. So I can tap this button, turn on, and as you can see right now, and everything I say right now is written. As you can see, it works without any problem. So that's the video, guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. So thank you for watching this video.